Welcome back to International Scholars. It is another fantastic scholarship opportunity for international students from various countries to pursue their academic dreams on a fully funded scholarship. With at least 2 years of professional experience, you can pursue a postgraduate or master's degree at a German university for free. In some cases, even a doctoral degree is possible. Join us as we explore the benefits of this life-changing scholarship opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this exciting opportunity with your friends and family. Leave your questions or comments below. Let's get started. Fully funded scholarships are available for postgraduate courses in Germany listed on the 2024 to 2025 list of postgraduate courses with application deadline, and the funding duration ranges from 12 to 42 months depending on the study program. The postgraduate scholarships in Germany cover a wide range of fields, including social science, engineering and technology, natural and environmental sciences, health and life sciences, business and management, and architecture and urban planning. These scholarships provide opportunities for candidates to pursue advanced studies in their respective disciplines, fostering their personal and professional growth. The postgraduate scholarships offered in Germany come with a range of valuable benefits designed to support recipients throughout their academic journey. These benefits are aimed at easing financial burdens and ensuring a conducive environment for focused study. Let's take a closer look at the benefits. 1. Monthly payments. Depending on the academic level, scholarship holders can receive monthly payments of €934 for graduates or €1,200 for doctoral candidates. These payments serve as a stipend to cover living expenses, allowing scholars to concentrate on their studies without undue financial stress. 2. Insurance coverage. The scholarships also include payments towards health, accident, and personal liability insurance. This provision ensures that scholars have access to essential healthcare services and are protected in the event of unforeseen circumstances. 3. Travel allowance. Scholarship holders may receive a travel allowance to facilitate their journey to Germany. This allowance assists with transportation costs, making it easier for scholars to relocate and settle into their new academic environment. However, if the recipient's home country or another funding source already covers travel expenses, this allowance may not be applicable. In addition to the core benefits, there are potential additional benefits available under certain circumstances. 4. Monthly rent subsidy. In specific cases, scholarship holders may be eligible for a monthly rent subsidy. This benefit aims to alleviate the financial burden of accommodation expenses, which can be substantial, particularly in areas with high living costs. And lastly, 5. Allowance for accompanying family members. Understanding the importance of family support, the scholarships also provide a monthly allowance for accompanying members of the scholar's family. This additional benefit acknowledges the needs of scholars who may have their spouse, children, or dependents joining them during their studies in Germany. The allowance assists in covering the living costs of family members, ensuring their well-being and enabling a smooth transition for the entire family unit. Prerequisites and requirements for the scholarship include: 1. Work experience. The applicant must currently work for a public authority, state, or private company in a developing country involved in the planning and execution of development projects. The emphasis should be on technological, economic, or social areas. A minimum of 2 years of related professional experience after obtaining a bachelor's degree is required. 2. Academic qualifications. Candidates should possess a bachelor's degree, typically obtained through a 4-year course of study. The degree should be in a relevant field that aligns with the chosen postgraduate program. This requirement ensures that candidates have a solid educational foundation to build upon during their advanced studies in Germany. The degree should not be more than 6 years old at the time of application. 3. Nationality. The applicant must be a national of a country listed on the OECD DAAD list, except for Bosnia-Herzegovina, Croatia, Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia, Kosovo, and Turkey. 4. Language skills. For courses taught in German, the applicant must provide proof of language proficiency by passing the language examination DSH2 or test DAF4 before the start of the course. A minimum German language level of B1 is required at the time of application. For courses taught in English, adequate language skills must be demonstrated according to the regulations of the respective courses. 5. Proof of work experience. The applicant must submit certificates of employment that specify the position held and the duration of employment. A letter of reference from employers is also required, preferably guaranteeing re-employment after completing the postgraduate course. 6. Statement of motivation. Applicants must submit a statement of motivation explaining their interest in attending a specific postgraduate course, relating it to their current employment. They should also describe their development-related motivation and how they plan to use the scholarship and education to take on social responsibility in their future careers and home countries. If applying for more than one postgraduate course or up to a maximum of 3 courses, the applicant must submit a motivation letter explaining the reasons for applying to those specific courses and indicate the priority. To apply for a DAAD scholarship, The following documents are required in the specified order. 1. Completed and signed checklist. 2. DAAD application form. The application for a research or study scholarship, filled out with clear and readable answers. 3. Curriculum vitae or CV in reverse chronological order, using the Europass template. Include comprehensive information about your studies and practical experience. 4. Letter of motivation. A detailed letter explaining your academic, professional, and personal reasons for applying to the program. If applying for multiple postgraduate courses, up to 3, provide detailed reasons for your choice and prioritize them in the letter of motivation. Submit the same letter of motivation to all the selected programs. 5. Letter of recommendation from your current employer. The letter should be on official letterhead, include a signature and official stamp, and be dated. 6. Certificates of employment. Provide certificates from employers showing at least 2 years of relevant work experience after obtaining your bachelor's degree up to the time of application. Ideally, the certificate from your current employer should guarantee re-employment after your return to your home country. 7. Recent proof of language skills. For English courses, applicants should provide proof of adequate language skills as per the regulations of the respective courses. German proficiency is required for courses taught in German. 8. Copies of your higher education degree certificates. If the original is not in German or English, provide a certified translation ensuring legibility. 9. Copy of your full set of transcripts, including an explanation of the grading system if not part of the transcript. 10. Applicants from the People's Republic of China should include an APS certificate with their application document. Note: additional documents may be required for specific courses. Refer to the relevant course descriptions and respective websites for detailed information. Important: the complete application must be submitted in English or German, and incomplete applications will not be considered. The application and selection procedure consists of the following steps. 1. Send your complete application directly to the postgraduate course of your choice. 2. A selection committee identifies potential candidates for a DAAD scholarship. 3. Contacted by DAAD. Suggested candidates upload their complete application to the DAAD portal. 4. Finalize the selection process and notify the selected candidates. Note: keep a copy of each document ready as they need to be uploaded to the DAAD portal if suggested for a scholarship. For most postgraduate courses, a mandatory preparatory German language course of 2 to 6 months is included as part of the DAAD scholarship. Please refer to the course descriptions for more details. For more information, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video with others, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.